Naisumite na sa National Bureau of Investigation o NBI ang bank records ng lahat ng mga hinihinalang sangkot sa illegal drug trade sa New Bilibid Prison, kabilang na ang kay Senador Leila de Lima. Ayon kay Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre, ibinigay ng Anti-Money Laundering Council o AMLAC ang bank records itong Biyernes at pag-aaralan pa ang koneksyon ng mga ito sa Bilibid drug trade. Hihingin din nila ang analysis ng AMLAC sa mga transaksyon sa naturang bank accounts. Samantala, isang koalisyon ng anti-crime groups kasama ang Office of the Solicitor General ang binuo laban kay Senador Leila de Lima. Tinawag din ni Solgen Jose Calida si Senador de Lima na public enemy number 1 dahil sa umunoy kaugnayan nito sa illegal na droga. Ito ang balita ni Roderick Mendoza.
Nagsanib puwersa ang ilang grupo sa pangunguna ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption o VACC kasama ang Office of the Solicitor General upang matutukan ang mga reklamong kinakaharap ni Senador Leila de Lima. Tinawag itong Coalition Against Illegal Drugs.
Itong coalition ay binuo lang ng ilang grupo. Dahil nga sa concern namin na nawawala na po tayo sa real issues of the country, which is illegal drugs, illegal drug trading.
Ayon kay Solicitor General Jose Calida, hindi maaring palampasin na lamang ang tila pagbaliwala ni de Lima sa kasong isinampa laban sa kanya.
Senator de Lima flaunted her disdain to be investigated by the House of Representatives and the Department of Justice for the crimes she committed. Her shenanigans demand a more vigorous response from the government she wants to destroy.
Kaya't gagamitin na rin ng Solgen ang puwersa nito sa mga kaso laban sa senadora. Ang OSG ang tumatayong abogado ng gobyerno. Ngunit ayon kay Calida, maaari silang tumulong sa kaso kapag interes na ng taong bayan ang nakasalalay.
As the People's Tribune, the Office of the Solicitor General offers its legal services to the complainants who sued Senator de Lima in the Department of Justice, Ombudsman, and other venues for her criminal participation and complicity in the proliferation of illegal drugs in the National Penitentiary.
Aminado si Calida na ito ang unang pagkakataon na tutulong sa isang criminal case ang Solgen.
She's a very powerful person. Yung ating mga complainants, they're private citizens. In order to strengthen their resolve, I will lend the prestige and gravitas of my office to defend them and to help them in their cases against Senator de Lima.
Nilinaw naman ng opisyal na ipinatutupad lamang nila ang batas at hindi ito panggigipit sa dating kalihim na tinawag niyang public enemy number 1.
Ang drugs is our enemy, di ba? And who is espousing itong proliferation of drugs? Di ba si former Secretary of Justice de Lima? And therefore, she's number 1, public enemy number 1.
Sinabi naman ni de Lima sa isang pahayag na ayaw na niyang patulan pa ang ganitong kabaliwan.
Public enemy number 1. Yan ang tawag ni Solicitor General Jose Calida kay Senador Leila de Lima. Excuse me po. Kasama si Calida sa binuong koalisyon na humamon pa sa senadora na dumalo sa investigasyon ng Department of Justice laban sa mga reklamo laban sa kanya. Nakatutok si Lia Manyala.
Senator de Lima should not be left to her own devious devices at the expense of the people. The high priestess of hypocrisy and the patron saint of narco-politics must not be allowed to make a mockery of our justice system and get away with it. Support our fight against the state's public enemy number 1.
Si Senadora Leila de Lima ang pinuntirya sa paglulunsad kanina ng Coalition Against Illegal Drugs in Bilibid o COIL. Si Solicitor General Jose Calida, sinabing handa siyang tumanggap ng reklamo laban kay de Lima. Mandato ng Solgen na kumatawan sa Pangulo ng Bansa at iba pang opisyal ng gobyerno sa mga kaso laban sa mga ito sa korte. Kaya tanong kay Calida, sa anong kapasidad niya ito gagawin?
Senator de Lima unleashed a torrent of nasty and destabilizing tirades against President Duterte's war on drugs. I am invoking the power of the Solicitor General to act as the tribune of the people. In order to strengthen their resolve, I will lend the prestige and gravitas of my office to defend them and to help them in their cases against Senator De Lima.
Kasama si Calida sa pumirma sa manifesto ng COIL na binubuo ng Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption o VACC, Citizens Crime Watch, United Filipino Seafarers at Conform Federalism. Naroon din si Mocha Uson, ang kilalang Duterte supporter at leader ng girl group na Mocha Girls. Sa isang pahayag, sinabi ni De Lima na ayaw niya nang i-dignify pa ang mga sinabi ni Calida at sa pagbuo ng koalisyon. Bahagi raw ito ng kabaliwan ng mga evil forces na kontra sa kanya. Sa Miyerkules ang ikalawang preliminary investigation sa mga reklamo laban kay De Lima sa DOJ. Kaya hamon ng koalisyon, umuwi ito at dumalo sa pagdinig.
Are you going to attend all the hearings? Are you going to respect? Ito pong aming final na complaints. Kayo po ay abogado. And we don't want itong kaso namin pinal ay darating pa sa punto na tatagal na naman po ito at makakalimutan ng bayan.
Bilang senador, dapat niyang igalang ang proseso ng batas. Kaya dapat umuwi ka, huwag kang magtago.
Hawak na rin ng DOJ ang ilang statement of accounts ni De Lima na nirequest nila sa Anti-Money Laundering Council. Pero pag-aaralan pa raw nila ang laman nito. Si DOJ Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II sinabing sapat ang kakayahan ng kanilang mga abogado para sa mga reklamo laban kay De Lima. Wala naman daw problema kung tutulong si Calida.
If in his study, pwede yun, then so be it.
Including its agencies, instrumentalities, and its officials and agents in any litigation, proceeding, investigation, or matter requiring the services of lawyers. In short, the Office of the Solicitor General is the Republic's defender. However, under the law, the Solicitor General can also act and represent the people before any court, tribunal, body, or commission in any matter, action, or proceedings, which, in his opinion, affects the welfare of the people as the ends of justice may require. Thus, the Solicitor General is also the tribune and protector of the people. Senator De Lima unleashed a torrent of nasty and destabilizing tirades against President Duterte's war on drugs. As an officer with a cabinet rank, I am also the alter ego of the President, and we cannot accept these tirades of Senator De Lima that destabilizes our country and makes mockery of the policies of the President. Senator De Lima flaunted her disdain to be investigated by the House of Representatives and the Department of Justice for the crimes she committed. Her shenanigans demand a more vigorous response from the government she wants to destroy. The people are disgusted with her raving rants. So are we. Senator De Lima should not be left to her own devious devices at the expense of the people. The high priestess of hypocrisy and the patron saint of narco-politics must not be allowed to make a mockery of our justice system and get away with it. As the People's Tribune, the Office of the Solicitor General offers its legal services to the complainants who sued Senator De Lima in the Department of Justice, Ombudsman, and other venues for her criminal participation and complicity in the proliferation of illegal drugs in the National Penitentiary. The Coalition and the Office of the Solicitor General asks the people whom we serve to support our fight against the state's public enemy number one. Thank you, and may God bless the Philippines.
Okay, him that...
Sir, bottom lang, sir.
Sige, sige.
Bottom, sir, bottom po. Manifest, sir. Yung manifesto po.
Thank you so much, Solicitor General Calida, for that very wonderful and very straightforward response. Now, magkakaroon naman po tayo ng questions and answers from our...
Pang, bottom muna, pang. Sir, bottom muna. Sir, bottom muna.
Okay, photo muna.
Papel, yung papel po. Yan, tayo. Upo lang po, yung lalikod po eh. Para maganda. Bang, layo bang. Bang, layo. Naku, patay, camera mo naman. Kuya, cellphone, kuya. Pasita po yung papel.
Fight naman, fight.
Fight.
Fight against illegal drugs. Fight against illegal drugs. Fight against illegal drugs. Fight against illegal drugs. Fight against drugs. Ibagsak ang mga drug lords. Ibagsak ang drug lords.
Ibagsak sa Dilima!
Ibagsak sa Dilima! Ang isa ng sama!